Hey creatives, Karen here, mixed media artist and creative at By the Wolf Moon. Just wanted to pop in today to show you my latest junk journal that I have completed and give you a quick flip through of what it looks like. I'm really pleased with how this one turned out. It started off as this box which I was given for my birthday a few years ago, and it had hand creams in it, and I have used it to create this beautiful nature inspired journal. The cover is a paper mache tree trunk, and then each of the three signatures has a beautiful embroidery at the front of an animal. Everything in this journal has been found at op shops or is craft supplies that I have had in my collection for a number of years that I've either been gifted from fellow crafters or friends. So it is a true junk journal. The images that I have used are all from vintage book pages, and I have used some dictionary pages throughout the journal. It's a really tactile little journal that fits nicely in the palm of your hand. I hope that whoever ends up owning this will carry it around with them and fill it with lots of beautiful thoughts and quotes and recipes and spells and just all sorts of yummy good stuff. Alright, I will leave you now to enjoy the rest of the flip through in peace, and thank you for joining me today. If you are interested in purchasing any of my journals, they will be available in my felt.co.nz shop, which is called The Wolf Moon, but they will not be able, anything is not able to be posted until after we are out of lockdown in New Zealand, which hopefully won't be too much longer. I hope everyone is staying safe and well out there and enjoying lots of craft time at least. So I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me.